Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be creating a look using the new Morphe 39S palette. Since I love using purple eyeshadow, I have brown eyes and I feel that it complements my tan skin and my brown eyes, I decided to go with this. And especially since this look is very easy to create and very wearable in my opinion. So by this point, I already primed my eyelid and I used MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And then I'm going to be applying my transition shade, and I went with the matte light pink shade, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M441 brush. Next, to add depth to my crease, I will be adding a berry pink shade, and I'll be applying this directly on the crease. And since this eyeshadow is very pigmented, I did start with the light hand and then started to build it up. I will be using the Morphe M456 brush to apply this. I went back with the Morphe M441 brush, which is the brush I used to apply my transition shade. With no product added, I went ahead and I blended out the edges of the pinkish shade that I applied on the crease. For my lid, I applied a shimmery purple shade, and I used the Morphe R42 Dry to apply this shade, but I noticed that it's better when you use your fingers, so I went ahead and did that off camera. And now you're seeing me use the R42 again just to blend out the edges between the purple and the pink shade. I wanted to play around with the silk toppers, so I went ahead and applied one to the center of my lid. And the one that I applied had a rosy base with gold and purple specks of glitter. And the glitter is very fine, so you can't really see it in camera. But in person, these silk toppers look so beautiful. Next, I applied my lashes, and the lashes I went with are from the Makeupshack. These are in the style All I Know, and they're only $5.99, so I definitely recommend their lashes. For my lower lash line, I'll be applying the same shadows I used on my eyelid, and on my crease, I'll be applying those to my lower lash line as well. Now I'm applying the berry pink eyeshadow that I used on the crease, and I'm applying this as close as I can to my lower lash line. And I'm applying the eyeshadow with the Morphe M124 brush. And I also wanted to let you guys know that this eyeshadow did stain my skin. Next, to blend out the harsh edges from the pink eyeshadow, I'll be applying the same matte pink shade I applied as a transition shade onto the lower lash line, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M431 brush. With the Morphe R42, I'm going to be applying the same purple shade I used on the lid. I'll be smudging the purple into the pink on my lower lash line. And lastly, I wanted to add an inner eye highlight, and I went ahead and I applied another silk topper with the Morphe M506 brush. This topper has like bluish specks of glitter, and it looks just beautiful. So I really hope you guys like this look. I just added mascara to my bottom lashes. Like I said, in my opinion, I feel that this is a very wearable and very easy look to create. So I really hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.